Victor's Day, alam mo ba kung saan nag-originate ang mga birthday? Galing pa ito sa mga Egyptian at sineselebrate ito hindi ng mga common people but mga pharaoh. So kung nakakapag-birthday ka ay malamang ikaw ay isang maharlika.
Uy, sana all!
Pero aside from the celebration, ay what are the things that we could do to make it more meaningful? Hindi lang basta dumadaan yung taon, gumagastos ka, nag-celebrate ka. Here are the things that you should do. Tatlo lang siya. Number 1 is pray. Pasalamatan mo yung Diyos sa binigay na buhay sa iyo kasi hindi lahat nabibigyan ng another year. Number 2 is journal. Kailangan mo na talaga magsulat ka yan. Iba-ibang journal, ang dami ko pa doon. So you need to write. Kung ilan yung edad mo, write the things that you are thankful for. Kahit napakaliit. Ipasalamatan mo na hindi naputol yung daliri mo nung nagkalikot ka ng gamit nyo sa bahay and whatnot. Ganun kasimple, pasalamatan mo lahat, yung trabaho mo, yung pamilya mo, opportunity, salamatan mo. Number 3, which is really most important and I'm doing it, simula nung natutunan ko yung principle na to, na you could apply also. Write the things that you learn from your life during the years na edad mo. Ibig sabihin, right now, I am 24. What? Plus 12, I'm already 36, so I need to write down 36 lessons sa buhay ko, and I'm using 6 aspect principle Yung 6 na aspect ng buhay ko, susulat ko siya: finance, fitness, fun, future, sulatan ko siya lahat. At ano yung mga natutunan ko sa about aspect na yun. At those are the things you need to do aside from celebrating it and spending money, make it more meaningful. Victor's Day.